Welcome friends to another lecture on matrices. In this lecture we will study equality, addition and scalar multiplication on matrices. So let's start with equality of matrices. So two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they satisfy the following two properties. First property is their order should be same. Order of A and order of B must be same. Otherwise we cannot say that they are equal. Second, corresponding entries of A and B are same. What we mean by corresponding entries? It means that if ijth entry of matrix A is Aij and ijth entry of matrix B is this Bij, both are of same order, then we say A is equal to B if Aij is equal to Bij for all ij. Let's understand through a few examples. See, first set of matrices 1, 2, 0, 9, 1, 2, 0, 9. They have the same orders. A and B are of same order 2 by 2. Corresponding entries 1 is equal to this 1, 2 is equal to 2, 0 is equal to 0 and 9 here is equal to this 9. So these are equal matrices. Let's talk about the second thing 1, 2, 0, 9. Note that B is also of same order having the same entries 1, 2, 0, 9. But they are not equal. Why? Because the corresponding entries are not same. Although they are having the same entries 1, 2, 0, 9, but their positions are different. Their positions have to be same. Similarly, in this A, we have two places 1 and other two 0. This also having the same entry with same number of times, but their positions are not same. So they are not equal. Let's do example. So here we are given two 3 by 3 matrices which are equal. We have to find the values of x, y, z, a, b, c. Since these two matrices are equal, so by definition we know that the corresponding entries are equal. So see here the entry at 1 1 position is 1 1 position means first row first column. So it is x plus 3 and here it is 0 which gives me x plus 3 equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 3. So I get the value of x solving the first thing. Then comes z plus 4 is equal to 6. So z plus 4 is equal to 6. Give me z is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. Third is 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Let's see. 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. So this implies this 2y here and this 3y when comes to the left side it will be negative. On the right side we have minus 2 and 7 when it comes to the right side it will become plus 7. So we get minus y is equal to 5 or y is equal to minus 5. Rest of the entries let's see. By comparing the 2 1 entry we get minus 6 equal to minus 6. By comparing the 2 2 entry, we get a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So let's solve it to find the value of a. So a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. This implies a is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. So a is equal to minus 2. Next, 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. So 0 is equal to 2c plus 2 or we get 2c is equal to minus 2 which says c is equal to minus 1. Again comparing this entry we get b minus 3 equal to 2b plus 4. So b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4 which implies this minus 3 as it is. 4 it when comes to left side it will be minus 4. On the right side 2b minus b. So we get b is equal to minus 7. With this we have found all the values x, y, z, a, b, c. Next example. Here we have to find the values of A, B, C and D from the following equation. And this equation is giving us that 2 by 2 matrices are equal. So from the corresponding entries equality, we get 2A plus B is equal to 4. Let's give it equation number 1. A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. Equation number 2. 5C minus D is equal to 11. This is equation number 3. And 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. Equation number 4. Now we try to solve these equations in order to get the values of A, B, C and D. Let's write equation number 1 again. From 1, we have 2A plus B is equal to 4. See here, 2A plus B is equal to 4. That means B is equal to 4 minus 2A. Now put in equation number 2. The value of B we put in equation number 2. What was equation 2? A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. So we get A minus 2 times B is equal to minus 3. That is A minus 8 plus 4A is equal to minus 3. So we get 5A is equal to, this is minus 3 plus 8, 5, or A equal to 1. But from here we have B is equal to 4 minus 2A. That is 4 minus 2 into 1, 4 minus 2, this is equal to 2. So B is equal to 2. Now we consider the other two equations to find the values of C and D. Let's see the third equation. From 3, we have 5C minus D equal to 11. So it is 5C minus D equal to 11. This implies 5C minus 11 is equal to D. Now we put it in 4 and we get 4C plus 3D equal to 24. So 4C plus 3D equal to 24. That is 4C plus 15C minus 33 equal to 24. Or 4 plus 15, 19C, 24 plus 33, 57. That gives us that C is equal to 3. And put it here, D is equal to 5C minus 11. That is 5 into 3 minus 11, 15 minus 11, that is 4. So D is equal to 4. So this is how we have to solve the problems to find the variables using the equality of matrices. Let's do the MCQ 1. So you have your 30 seconds, send the answer in comment. This is a very simple question. Next, it is a bit higher level MCQ. Again, you have 30 seconds to solve it. Another question. Now let's talk about operation on matrices. So matrices, we can apply operation on matrices just as we apply on numbers. We can add two numbers, we can multiply two numbers, we can subtract two numbers, we can divide by a non-zero number also. Similarly, we can apply to matrices but under certain conditions. So first of all, we are going to study addition of matrices. So like I said, addition of matrices is possible under some conditions, and that condition is for addition of A and B, they should have same order. If A and B are having the same order, then only we can say that A plus B is defined. And how it is defined? If ijth entry of A is Aij and ijth entry of B is Bij and they are having the same order, then A plus B is defined as adding the ijth entries. That means adding the corresponding entries. Let's see how. See, here we are given A. It is of order 2 cross 3, 2 rows, 3 columns. This is B, again with order 2 cross 3, 2 rows, 3 columns. Then they are having the same order. Yes, addition is defined. So let's try to find the addition. It is also of the same order 2 cross 3. First entry, 1 1 entry will be addition of 1 1 entry here and 1 1 entry in B. So it will be under root 3 plus 2. Then 1 2th entry will be 1 2 entry here plus 1 2 entry of B. 1 plus under root 5. Similarly, 1 3 entry minus 1 plus 1. 2 plus minus 2. 3 plus 3. And 0 plus 1 by 2. Or this is root 3 plus 2, 1 plus under root 5, 0, 0, 6 and 1 by 2. Simple. Next operation on matrices is scalar multiplication. In terms of multiplication, in matrices there are two types of multiplication. First type is scalar multiplication and the second type is matrix multiplication. In this lecture, we will be talking about scalar multiplication only. Matrix multiplication we will be doing in lecture 3. So, let A be any matrix and C is any scalar. By scalar we mean a number. So, then CA, that means multiplying a scalar with a matrix, is obtained by multiplying all the entries of A by C. Let's see. Here A is given to be this 3 by 3 matrix, 3, 1, 1.5, under root 5, 7 minus 3, 2, 0, 5. Then 3A, here C is 3 and matrix A is given to this. So 3A is multiplying each entry of A by 3. So we get 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3, 1.5 into 3, 4.5. This is 3 root 5, 21 minus 9, 6, 0 and 15. So this is scalar multiplication. Negative of a matrix. Similar to the scalar multiplication, negative of a matrix is obtained by multiplying all the entries of A by minus 1 and we denote it as minus A. Let's see, if A is this, then minus A is minus 1 into 3 minus 3, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus under root 5, minus 7, 3, minus 2, 0 and minus 5. Now we will do a few questions based on addition, based on negative of a matrix and based on scalar multiplication. As you can see in this expression, 2A scalar multiplication is involved, minus B negative of B is involved, and then 2A plus minus B is addition of matrices is involved. So let's see how to solve it. 2A minus B. So 2A minus B is 2. A is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 minus B, that is 3 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2. This is equal to 2 times this matrix is 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 2. And if I take this minus inside, I will get a plus here. Negative of this matrix is minus 3, 1, minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2. Now we need to add these two matrices and we get this is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 minus 3, 3. So it's minus 1, 5, 3. And the second row, it's 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 0, 6, 2 minus 2, 0. So 5, 6, 0. Let's have another example. If A is given to be this 3 by 2 matrix and B is given to be this 3 by 2 matrix, their orders are same. So find the matrix X such that 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. So let's see, the equation is 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. Applying the simple arithmetic, we get 3X is equal to 5B minus 2A. Fine. So we put the values of B and A over here. Let's see. So 3X is equal to 5. We have B. B is 2 minus 2, 4, 2 minus 5, 1. Let's write 2 minus 2, 4, 2 minus 5, 1. Sorry, it's plus 1. And minus 2A, that is minus 2. A is 8, 0, 4 minus 2, 3, 6. 8, 0, 4 minus 2, 3, 6. Fine. So we have to find the value of this X. Let's first multiply this 5 inside. So we get 10 minus 10. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. Minus 25 and 5. And we multiply this minus 2 inside. So we get a plus here. Minus 16, 0. Minus 8, 4. Minus 6, minus 12. Now adding these two, we get minus 6, minus 10, 20 minus 8 is 12, 10 plus 4, 14, minus 25 minus 6 is 31, minus 31, 5 minus 12 is minus 7. So X is equal to 1 by 3 into this matrix minus 6, minus 10, 12, 14, minus 31, minus 7. Next example, we have to find the values of matrix X and matrix Y. If X plus Y is given to be 5, 2, 0, 9, this 2 by 2 matrix, and X minus Y is given to be 3, 6, 0, minus 1, 2 by 2 matrix. So let's start. X plus Y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. And X minus Y is given to be 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Adding these two equations, we get, see on the left side we get X plus Y plus X minus Y. And on the right side we get 5, 2, 0, 9 plus 3, 6, 0, minus 1. See, on the left side, Y will get cancelled and we are left with 2 times X. And on the right side, we have 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 minus 1, 8. So we have 2X is equal to 8, 8, 0, 8. Or X is equal to 1 by 2, 8, 8, 0, 8. That is, multiplying each entry with 1 by 2, we get 4, 4, 0, 4. Now we need to find the value of matrix Y. For that, see, X plus Y is 5, 2, 0, 9. Again, we have X plus Y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. We need to find y. So we keep left y and we take x to the right side. So this would be negative of x. That is 5, 2, 0, 9 minus x is 4, 4, 0, 4. So we get 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 4, 5. Another example, we have to find the values of elements x and y from the following equation. So let's see, 2 times x, 5, 7, y minus 3 plus 3 minus 4, 1, 2 is equal to, it is given to be 7, 6, 15, 14. So 2 times x, 5, 7, y minus 3 is equal to, I can write 7, 6, 15, 14 minus this matrix, that is 3 minus 4, 1, 2. By taking it to the right side, it will be negative. So solving the left side, we will take 2 inside and we get, see, 2x, 10, 14, 2y minus 6. It is 2x, 10, 14, 2y minus 6. That is equal to, on the right side we have 7 minus 3, 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 15 minus 1, 14, and 14 minus 2, 12. So we have 4, 10, 14, 12. Let's solve them. So solving the first part, 2x equal to 4, we get x equal to 2. And solving the 2 entry, we get 2y minus 6 equal to 12. So that 2y is equal to 12 plus 6, 18, or y is equal to 9. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 9. So that's all for now. In the next lecture, we will discuss how to multiply two matrices. And we will discuss a few properties based on these operations also. Thank you.